Dude, that's freaking on there. Someone tougher than hell must have put that on there.
Probably.
Is that you or me?
Probably you. You're gonna edit all this, right?
All right, welcome to another episode of the 89 Garage. Today we're going to be working on that 2015 Edge.
Yep.
That's my brother. He's a lot cooler than me. So we're doing brakes and wheel bearing. So buckle up. So I just said brakes and bearing. Well, this is just the bearing. The video for the brakes it didn't turn out so hot. So this is just the bearing. Change this transmission fluid?
No.
Probably ought to. How many miles are on it?
About 118, I think.
Yeah, you probably ought to, bro. This is 32. Oh, we got lucky here. Some of you guys back into New York and all that aren't going to be this lucky. This is held in with 4 bolts. It's not pressed in like the escapes. I don't know what size that is. I'm going to have to figure it out probably. Feels like maybe a 13. Alright, it's 15. Alright, these 4 bolts are from back here. You can see I got the socket on that one. There's another one down here. And we got one here and up there. Is it turning? Yeah, it is. Cool. That one started. Give me back my socket.
It's hard to get some of those angles.
Oh, you're alright. You can just come this way, probably. Oh, there we go. There we go. Oh, might need to go get a breaker bar on this. And these bottom ones are a little tough. I can't even budge that. You want to try it, B? Oh, see? I had to get someone stronger than me to do that. And there's just that one last one. Sweet. Alright. Alright, now we'll get these 4 bolts out of here. And, oh my heck, look at that. We lucked out. It's gonna pop right out.
Nice.
We've already done one of these before, but not really sure which one. Yeah, we're gonna get away easy on this one. Hopefully this is easy for you guys. With the CV axle sliding in and out real easy, and also the bearing not being seized inside the steering knuckle. think we're out. Okay. Maybe I spoke too soon on that coming right out. Or maybe I didn't. Yeah, it's had a lot of water in there. This here is, oh, this is made in Slovakia. This is an original. If you went to the dealer, this is what you get. He got it from Rock Auto. Actually, if you look on Rock Auto and see the Timken, it actually says Fomoco on in the pictures. So Timken makes a lot of bearings for Ford, and so we can probably assume this is also made by Timken. We'll clean this up real quick and start assembling it again.
Brake cleaner.
Yes. This bolt didn't want to come out, by the way, so it's just kind of hanging in there. It runs into the CV boot. Huh. I don't remember that being in there last time. Do you?
No.
Okay, clear. Clear this. There's also an O-ring in here. It looks to me like at some point it's had some silicone on there. So I think maybe we'll do that. Does that look like silicone to you?
Maybe, yeah.
We'll put it back in there because obviously it's supposed to be in there. It's an ABS sensor right there. It's about as clean as it's gonna get. If you know what this is, put it down in the comments because I don't know. But I'm gonna put it back in because it came out. I'm just putting a thin coat on this to keep it sealed. There's probably somebody yelling at me right now while I'm putting this together, like, what are you doing? Gotta make sure all this is nice and clean. The clearances. Okay. Come on. There we go. Alright, where's that big nut? Just to help this stay intact, I'm gonna spin this on. That'll help it stay up here and not fall out on me. Now, I need to look up the torque for this. So let's go ahead and I'm gonna need that phone right there. So the interwebs says 258 to 300 foot-pounds of torque, so I guess we're using this. My my Tecton torque wrench only goes to about 160. This is our torque wrench today. We're going to put this right at factory spec. Looks like factory spec right there to me. The wheel bearing is complete now, so All right, guys, that's the end of this video. And just so you know, you did see that I put the little arrow saying this is before Frankie was painted. And there he is. I appreciate you guys watching. If you have not yet, please subscribe. That's going to help me out a lot. Help us get our content to the top. And be kind of cool, too. I mean, you can be part of it. It's free. Thanks for watching, and peace out.